Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2015 Ram 1500 and I will show you how to do the oil life reset. This video should apply to Rams 1500 made from 2013 all the way up to 2018. If this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel or becoming a channel member. Okay, now for this to work, the vehicle has to be turned off, and then what you will do, you will insert the key into the ignition lock and you will turn the key twice to the right, to the wrong position, but do not start the vehicle. And once you do that, all the lights on the dashboard and instrument cluster will come on. Then you will be using these menu buttons on the left side of the steering wheel. So first you want to press this left button to enter the main menu. Okay, and then you will scroll through the menu options by using these up and down buttons. You want to get to the vehicle info, and once you are here, you will press this right button. This is the enter button, and that will get you to vehicle info menu. And then again, you will scroll through the options until you reach the oil life. So there should be a bunch of stuff here. Just keep going through it. Oil temperature, oil pressure, oil life. And once you are here, you will press and keep holding this right button to reset the oil life to 100%. And yeah, that's it. Okay, I will try to record it one more time because this happened quite fast. So once you hold it for a couple of seconds, you will get a question, confirm reset, and then you will go to yes, and again press that right button, the OK button. And your oil life should be at 100%. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.